चलिए तस्वीरें आपको दिखाते हैं। दोनों ही सदनों की कार्रवाई इस वक्त शुरू हो चुकी है, सीधे वहीं चलते हैं।
डॉक्टर मोल राम सिंह कोले।
सर, क्वेश्चन नंबर 61।
सर, उत्तर पटल पर रख दिया गया है।
बीएससी पे चर्चा करेंगे प्लीज, बीएससी पे चर्चा करेंगे, बीएससी पे बिजली एडवाइज कमेटी में चर्चा करेंगे। ओके, माननीय मंत्री महोदय।
सर, उत्तर पटल पर रख दिया गया है।
माननीय सदस्य।
धन्यवाद अध्यक्ष महोदय। अध्यक्ष महोदय, काल सुद्धा सदनासमोर ही गोष्ट आली की GMRT या आंतरराष्ट्रीय महत्त्वाच्या प्रोजेक्टमुळे जुन्नर आंबेगावमध्ये एक डेव्हलपमेंटल डेफिसिट तयार झालेला आहे आणि या डेव्हलपमेंटल डेफिसिट भरण्यासाठी माननीय मंत्री महोदयांकडे आणि सरकारकडे ही विनंती आहे की यामध्ये जरी पाणी हा राज्याचा विषय असला तरी सुद्धा महत्त्वाची गोष्ट ही आहे की जुन्नर आंबेगावचा हा डेव्हलपमेंटल डेफिसिट भरण्याच्या दृष्टिकोनातून आज डिंबे इरिगेशन, कुकडी इरिगेशन मध्ये फार मोठ्या प्रमाणावर गळती आहे आणि यासाठी जो अतिरिक्त निधी आहे, मी पुन्हा या डेव्हलपमेंटल डेफिसिटसाठी म्हणतो अतिरिक्त निधी केंद्र शासनाने देण्यात यावा। त्याचबरोबरीनं जे पश्चिमेकडे पाणी वाहून जातं, या पश्चिमेकडचं पाणी डिंभे आणि पिंपळगाव जोगा या धरणात आणण्यासाठी 4 योजना राज्य सरकारने तयार केलेल्या आहेत।
And the members portal. A copy of the bill was circulated to the members electronically through members portal yesterday's evening after 6 p.m. Members who decide to submit notices of amendments to the said bill may do so now electronically through the e-notices portal latest by 12 noon. Notices so received will be processed for being admitted subject to fulfillment of all requisite procedural formalities and the conditions of admissibility stipulated under Rule 96 of the Rules of Procedure and Contract of Business in the Council of States, Rajya Sabha. Notices received after 12 noon will, however, not be processed. Reports of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Personnel, Public Grievances, Law and Justice. Shri Brijlal Verma ji.
Thank you, Chairman, sir.
Brijlal ji.
I rise to present a copy each in English and Hindi of the following report of Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Personnel, Public Grievances, Law and Justice. Number 1. 155th report of action taken on 149th reports of the Committee on Demand for Grants 2025-26 pertaining to the Legislative Department, Ministry of Law and Justice. Number 2. 156th report on action taken on 147th report of the Committee on Demand for Grants 2025-26 pertaining to the Department of Justice, Ministry of Law and Justice. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Number 3. 157th report on action taken on 146th report of the Committee on Demand for Grant 2025-26 pertaining to the Department of Administrative Reforms and Public Grievances and Pension and Pensioners' Welfare, Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pension. 4th, 154th report on action taken on 148th report of the Committee on Demand for Grant 2025-26 pertaining to the Department of Legal Affairs, Ministry of Law and Justice. And 5th, 159th report on action taken on 145th report of the Committee on Demand for Grant 2025-26 pertaining to the Department of Personnel and Training, Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pension. Thank you, sir.
Reports of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. Srimati Ranjit Ranjan ji.
To lay a copy each of the 11th and 12th reports in English and Hindi version of the Standing Committee on Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution are listed against my name is today's list of business. Thank you.
I have to inform members that the Business Advisory Committee in its meeting held on the 3rd of December 2025 has allotted time for government, legislative and other business as follows. Item number 1, consideration and return of the Health Security National Security Cess Bill 2025 after it is considered and passed by Lok Sabha, 4 hours time allotted.